Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Indeed account. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in Indeed. Now click on the first link, that is job search Indeed. After this, you'll have to simply click on the employers or post a job button at the top right, and on this page you can click on find jobs button at the right side of the screen. So on this page, you'll have to simply click on the sign in button at the top right. After that, you can create an account or sign in. So simply click on continue with Google or add your email address or phone number in these fields and click on continue. I'm going to click on continue with Google and I'm going to choose this email and click on continue. After this, Indeed will ask you whether you're a job seeker or an employer. Choose job seeker if you want to create an account for finding a job. Now, after this, you can click on build an Indeed resume or just click on upload resume, choose resume from your PC's directory and click on open. If you want to build an Indeed resume, you'll have to click here and enter your first name, last name, then click on continue, provide your phone number, complete all these fields and click on save and exit. So building an Indeed resume is pretty simple. You can do that if you wish or just click on skip for now. Now choose where you are located and click on continue. Choose the minimum base pay and pay period that you want. Now choose what kind of jobs you're looking for and click on view jobs. After this, you can successfully view jobs that you want and click on them. Click on apply now. This is going to open that job post in another page where you'll have to enter your contact information and click on continue. So enter your credentials on this page and click on continue. Then choose are you eligible to work lawfully in this country without visa sponsorship? So choose yes and click on continue. Now you can upload a CV or build an Indeed CV and click on continue. So I'm going to click on upload a CV and choose this text for example and click on continue. Now enter a past job that shows relevant experience. Choose the job title and click on continue. Now answer the questions from the employer. Select an option. Choose what is the highest level of education you have completed. So choose your education in this field. Now choose how many years of experience you have in your skill set. Choose the years. How many years of total work experience you have. After filling out these fields, click on continue. Now this will be your application. You can click on submit your application and as you can see, I just submitted this application using my Indeed profile. You can choose what is the location or just click on skip and click on return to job search. After you click on return to job search, you will have your profile just right here at the top right. You can click on your profile and see that your Indeed profile has been made. So that's how you create Indeed account. Now, if you want to make an account for employers, you'll have to just click on the employers or post a job button at the top right and this will automatically take you to this create an employer account page. You'll have to fill out these credentials, click on continue and you would have created an Indeed account as an employer. So that's how you create Indeed account or a profile. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.